Hey guys, what's up? It's the Riders in Red, your boy. Yeah. I'm just screwing around today. I don't know. Stopping. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. You always gotta. I was told to stop for 3 seconds at a stop sign before, you know. Before you go, and then the cops can't get you. I want to do some wheelies. I know it's a cruiser and stuff, but I want to practice some wheelies. And I'm squidding, as you can see, in a tie-dye shirt, so it makes up for it. Gotta find a more empty parking lot. This is way too packed. Full bunch of stupid moms. No, I'm just kidding. Moms aren't stupid. Moms are great. But a bunch of moms will be pissed off if I try to do wheelies around here. I guarantee it. Yellow. Get it? Because... yeah, okay. I need to go to an empty parking lot. Empty parking lot. On a Tuesday night. Empty parking lot. Yeah, that's fucking nowhere. You know what? I got an idea. We'll try this school over here. There's a lot of schools where I live. Daily 35. What up? Keep forgetting I'm not wearing a jacket. It feels amazing. Oh, I see why people squid so much. Oh, I feel so free. I feel alive. I don't recommend it, but I'm doing it. What up? Do something about it, bitch. Do some off-roading. Oh shit. Woo! I did that on purpose. Ooh, dirt. This is cool. Alright, now I gotta get out of here. That was dumb. That was kind of cool though. Alright. Back to my quest for wheelies. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Ooh. This is sick. Just kind of spins out a little. Yeah, I know. Alright, I don't want to get shot, so I'm not going to go too far. Oh, ugh. There goes my boot. See, puppy, see. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. What's up, dude? Hey, wave back. That's a popo. Or some form of government vehicle. Oh, yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, there they go. Oh, that's a, what? What? They're opening up a skate park. Wow. Had no idea. No dear that there was a skate park gonna be open up here. Then you have this road closed sign, or I might drive into a bunch of blackberries. I'm gonna take a picture because I'm fucking cool. That's fucking right. It's not actually my real laugh. It's pretty similar though. Pretty garbage. Damn it, I was gonna wear these to work. Bitch. That's sick. Alright, back to the ride. Watch me wheelie this bitch. Did you just spit at me? spit on you, pussy. I don't know, there's no road close sign, so it's very iffy on if I can get in trouble for this. This is not a dirt bike. I don't think these guys that work here give a shit. 1, 2, 3, ready go. My jump it. Ooh. Jump it. No. 1, 2, 3, ready go. I kind of determined that I cannot wheelie this thing, but it does great off-road. Trying to cross, homie? No, you're just trying to have a weird, fucking gross-ass dog. Big dogs, on the other hand, love them. What's up, old lady? How's it going? What's up, old man? What's up? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm behind a kid on a motorized pedal bike. If you did enjoy this video, though, go ahead and like it, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever the hell you want. I don't care. Alright, see ya. Bye. Okay, see ya. Bye. See ya. Peace out. Bye.